Yan guys, update lang. Bali naglabas si LTO ng memorandum nitong October 23, which is today, na suspension of the implementation administrative order AO number BDM 2024-046. Ano ba to? So ito yung sabi dito sa memorandum, in the best interest of the service to clarify certain provisions for better implementation, as well as to lighten the compliance period and allow more time to widen the information dissemination, the effectivity of AO number administrative order number BDM 2024-046 guidelines in the immediate transfer for owner of motor vehicles with existing registration is held in abeyance until further notice. So permado to ni Attorney Rigor Mendoza, which is the Assistant Secretary. So yun, failure to obey this memorandum shall be dealt with accordingly. So this memorandum shall take immediately for information, immediately compliance. So kailangan talaga ito mapatupad, or siyempre mabigyan ng panahon, mapag-aralan itong kinakaharap nating mga nakabili ng mga second hand na sasakyan. So kagabi ko pa ito iniisip, pero yon, salamat at natauhan din sila kasi wala namang problema sa pag-ukan sa lilipat. Gusto ko nga mailipat Siyempre, di ba, iba yung nasa pangalan mo yung CR. Kung mas maganda, hinahanapan nila or pinapabilis nila ang paglilipat kasi kung na ngayon online world na tayo hindi na sana kailangan ng ganito, ganyan. Pero same pa rin yung requirements. Okay, so yan, magandang balita para sa atin. Salamat po.